Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. I've got a recipe that requires roasted walnuts, and if you've never done that before, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've got a baking pan here with one of these silicone mats in it. You don't have to put the mat in it if you don't want to, or you can put a piece of parchment paper if you don't have these mats. But definitely you want something with an edge on the side of it, because when you put those in the oven, you don't want those flying all over the place. So I've got 1 cup of walnuts here, and you can use any amount that you want. That's just the amount that I need for the recipe that I'm going to be making. And once you get those on your tray here, you want to make sure you get those spread out so you get one big even layer. And I'm going to move those around with my clean hands here so that we get those evenly spaced. Now that I've got the walnuts evenly spaced on this pan, I'm going to go ahead and put those in my preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven or 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to cook those for about 5 to 10 minutes. Everybody's oven is going to cook a little bit differently. Keep a watch on them at 5 minutes. You want to look at them when they're done. They'll get just a little bit darker than what they are now. So I'll be back and show you what these look like. I've got the walnuts out of the oven now. In about 5 minutes, I did go into the oven and turn the pan around 180 degrees on that. So just to make sure that it gets evenly cooked on both sides. These did cook for 10 minutes, and you can see these are a little bit darker. They've got a nice smell to them. And just by roasting them like that, it brings out just so much more flavor out of the walnuts themselves. So if you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.